Copper is a versatile metal, with a wide range of uses across many industries. Here are some of the most common uses of copper. Number 1. Electrical wiring. Copper's high electrical conductivity and resistance to corrosion make it an ideal material for electrical wiring in homes, buildings, and industrial applications. Number 2. Plumbing. Copper's durability, flexibility, and resistance to corrosion also make it a popular choice for plumbing systems. Number 3. Construction. Copper is used in various construction applications, including roofing, gutters, and flashing. Its attractive appearance and durability make it a popular choice for architectural features. Number 4. Electronics. Copper is an essential material for electronics, including computers, smartphones, and televisions. Its high conductivity and thermal properties make it ideal for use in circuits and heat sinks. Number 5. Transportation. Copper is used in many transportation applications, including cars, trucks, and trains. Its strength and corrosion resistance make it a good choice for parts such as radiators, brake lines, and wiring. Number 6. Coins. Copper is used to make coins in many countries around the world, due to its durability and resistance to corrosion. Number 7. Medical equipment. Copper's antimicrobial properties make it useful in medical equipment, such as hospital bed rails and doorknobs, as well as in antimicrobial fabrics and surfaces. These are just a few examples of the many uses of copper in today's world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating statistics.